Hey guys, it's the Tin Man here. I thought I'd do a little face-to-face for you and show you a big environment, huge environment. You know, who knows what members are on that mountainside over there just observing what I'm doing. Well, guess where I am? I'm at a great spot. It's just weird because the stump is bigger than I thought I remembered it. And also the hole is kind of different than I thought I remembered it. But there's not another stump here. I don't think there's any way that where I came down, I'm wrong. So we're going with it for now. If I prove it wrong, check it and find it to be wrong, then I'll let you know. Anyways, look at this. And this trail is maintained very well. This, though, is before I was thinking about being on Bigfoot, being a person, or had my calling to it, however I want to look at it or describe it. Before that was going on, I found right here. So approximately 2.5 years ago, something like that. Maybe, no, less than that. Probably right around the 2-year mark. I found an eagle skull and a blue heron skull, both adult size, in there together. One of my crazy thoughts on that in particular day was, maybe the eagle caught him in here. They fought. Eagle ate him. For whatever reason, the eagle couldn't get out. That was my silly thinking of it. But anyways, now time has gone on. I really can't see how that puppy's could have been growing in there, but I sure hope I got some really cool footage on here, because I'm really confused on the inside of right in there. I think that's the culprit. That's going to be the hole, and I had to stick sticks in there to kind of scrape to be able to pull out what I was seeing in there. I'm pretty sure it wasn't that one right there. That spot. It's that spot there. So I'm pretty sure I got some of that video up. I'm going to look for it anyways. One of these days. So yeah, just wanted to share remarkableness. It's a little bit of a bend, but it looks like it's got growth in there. You know, I talk about major amount of growth, so I'm wondering if they actually have brought back some of that tree's life. And I can see rocks piled here. Obviously the big one, but I mean, you see these other ones and stuff. This is a little bit of an indication, unless a kid was around you doing that with his mom. Fine. Got a pretty good base to it in there. I'm really excited to see if that stuff's growing. I think it's growing in there, thickened out. I think I'm in the exact same spot. Big time feeling of that anyways. And yeah, this is something that hydro doesn't keep active. And this in particular spot, sure, some people get down there like me, but it's more or less the viewer people, not the people that are coming into, I came in from there, not the people that are coming in to hang out for the day. No reality right here around hydro grounds. I'm pretty sure that they don't, they're not into people leaving their real trails, but these ones are groomed somewhat. Who grooms them? I don't know, you tell me. I would say Bigfoot, probably. Like that. Keep you on the trail, get you to a spot where they can watch you from the other side a little bit better. Get some beauties doing their thing over there. Look at this rock. Could be compiled, brought in from some other spot where they're breaking them. great big rock like that they could have brought in one night. Look at the side of this rock. It almost looked like it had been freshly chipped at not too long ago. Not a super huge hold on it. Yeah, see? See that? It's like, this is what I did. This is about transplanting, and then once it takes a hold and it's holding in on, and like, see, that piece was even kind of left upside down. That stuff's probably not been bothered for a long time. That stuff, see how it's shorter and stuff, so they're probably, you get it, I'm talking. Peace out from the Tin Man. This is where we be. This beautiful spot here in Canada. Is that a dog? Squirrel? A Bigfoot?